Ashok sir, just a minute. Class, the chapter linear equations in two variables. We are in the last part of this chapter. Most of the concepts are given in this chapter are already over, and we were focusing on the exercise questions. In that,
Sixth one, sir.
Sixth one
answer.
wait.
Sir, sixth one
Exercise
answer.
number 4.3. In that, sixth one was being discussed, right?
Yes,
Even
sir.
I told you to draw the graph as well. Have you all done?
No, sir.
Statement is related to work done. You are very familiar with the formula is to find out work done. What is that? Yes, it is
Force into distance.
displacement, force into displacement. Here, all right. First, they have asked you to convert the given statement into equation. Here, all right. Work done is equal to force into displacement. And work done is assumed as y. Force, they only have given. What is the constant force?
Five.
Is assumed as x, y equal to 5x. This is the required equation. And then after that, they have asked you to draw the graph for this, right? So while drawing the graph, you'll prepare the table, that is calculation table. In calculation table, there will be 3 columns, and the first column, this is for x. Second column, yes, y. Third column is for x comma y. Here, all right. First column is x, second column y equal to 5x, third column x comma y. You may take substitution for
3.
x. You may take it as 0. Then y equal to 5 into 0, it is 0. 0 comma 0. That means if no force is applied on an object, there is no work done at all. It will be 0 work done. Understood? It is 0 comma 0. Then you may take, okay, 2.
3, sir.
When you apply, sorry, if due to the application of force, displacement of the body is 2 units, then the work done will be y is equal to 5 into 2. It is equal to 10. It is 2 comma 10. You may take
3, sir.
4. Y is equal to 5 into 4. It is 20. It will be 4 comma 20. Even you may take any other numbers as well. Like 6. Y equal to 5 into 7. 7. It is 35. It is 30. Hope you have got the same. Next, you'll go for drawing the graph. For graph, first you will draw x-axis and another one is y-axis. And one more important thing is how the coordinates are. Coordinate point lie in the same quadrant, that is first quadrant. Yes. Could you tell the scale? What should be taken along the x-axis? That is displacement. Alva? Displacement here we have taken 0, 2, 4, 7. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1 unit. So here all right. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here I am taking the displacement. Displacement here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. What should be taken along? Y-axis. Y-axis is nothing but work done. Here, wait.
10 Newton.
Work done. Observe the work done. You got 0, 10, 20, 35.
10.
1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Right? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 5 joules of work done, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. Now let us go for marking. First, 0, 0. This is. Next, 2, 10. Here, it is 2 and 10 is here. When the displacement is 2, work done will be 10 units. That can be marked here. Next, when displacement is 4, work done will be 20 units.
Sir, we should draw a graph book.
Yes. This is the point. Next, when the displacement is 7 units, work done will be 35. 7 units. Work done will be 35. Point comes. Here on right, 0, 0. This is 2, 10. And this is 4, 20. And this is 7, 35. Let us join all these points. Join the points. Anush, have you done? This is the line which represents the equation y equal to 5x. It will make another extend mark. It is y equal to 5x. Next, sub question is there. Huh? Yeah, of course. No, not like that. It is general calculation. Now, you have to find out the work done. When the distance traveled by the body is 2 units, 0 units, 10 units. So I need to extend the line.
Sir, 10 units is not there, sir.
Here I mark it.
Is there, sir?
9, 10. Now when? So then you have to extend this. Even we have to extend this out. $40, 45, 50, 55. When the distance traveled is 0 units, it is 0. Work done is 0. When the distance traveled is next 2 units are there. Here, just look at the board. Displacement is 2 units. Then what is the work done?
10.
10 units.
10 units.
That comes here. I'm showing with the arrow mark. Next, when the distance traveled is 10 units, 10 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Clear ಆ?
50 units.
Huh?
50 units. 50 units.
Let us see that. Five. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 12. That's for 10. It will intersect the y-axis at 50. Let me show the arrow mark. Over up. Likewise, even they make it for 5 also. 5, 7, 8, like this. Shall we move on to the next statement?
Sir, scale.
Oh, we have taken, no? I have written. Okay. X-axis. Oh. Yes, what is the scale?
1 centimeter 1 unit.
1 centimeter equal to
1 unit.
1 unit. What has been taken in x-axis?
1 centimeter.
Distance. Displacement.
Bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Displacement. Next, y-axis. What has been taken?
5 centimeter.
Walk done.
Then 1 centimeter equal to
5 centimeter. 5 unit.
Daksh, yours is over. Now we are moving to 7th one. Right way. Yatin and Yashwant. Yatin and Yashwant, two students of class 9 of a school of Bapuji, sorry, Yatin and Yashwant, Bapuji Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Yes, sir.
Yatin, which school you are?
Kendriya Vidyalaya, Davangere, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we should write in notes or graph book.
In notebook only. Kendriya Vidyalaya School. Kendriya Vidyalaya School. Just Kendriya Vidyalaya. Put comma. Together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister's relief fund. To help the earthquake victims. To help the earthquake victims. Full stop. Write a linear equation. A linear equation which satisfies this data, that is this information. Full stop. Draw the graph of the same. Draw the graph of the same.
X plus Y is equal to 100.
Wait. Finished up? Pragati, over. Shreya. Anush. Should go on writing with me so that you can finish up it with me only.
Sir, last line, last word, what, sir?
Draw the graph of the same. SAME. Here, there are two students. Who are those?
18 is
18 H1.
Both will contribute some amount towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund. How much amount they have contributed?
100 rupees.
100.
100 rupees. Do you know what is the amount contributed by Yatim?
No,
Unknown.
sir.
Is X.
Unknown. It is infinity.
Both the values are unknown.
Don't write, just observe the word. Amount contributed by Yatim, it is rupees X. What is the amount contributed by Ashwan?
Rupees Y.
Rupees Y.
This wise.
Together will contribute 100. Convert this into equation.
X plus Y is
X
equal
plus
to
Y is equal to
Plus y equals
100.
equals to 100.
X plus Y equal to 100. So for this, we have to draw the graph. Understood? Yes, write the data. Right. Let the amount contributed by Yatim, it is equal to rupees X. Next. Amount contributed. The amount contributed by Yashwant. Let it be rupees Y. Total amount contributed. Total amount contributed together, it is rupees 100. Next, according to the given statement, we can write the equation as X plus Y is equal to 100. We have converted statement into equation. To draw the graph, what are required?
Calculation table and value of X.
Are required
Calculation table.
Calculation table.
to the calculation table. And before that, before going to calculation table, you have to solve y from
Y
this
equal
equation.
to
Y
is
equal to 100 minus
minus
X.
Y is equal to 100
100 minus
minus x. Now, write calculation table. Make 3 columns in that. First column is amount contributed by Yatim. Sorry. Yatim. Next one is amount contributed by Yashwant. Then third column, the total amount. Afrin, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Tell the values for x. Afraid,
49.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Then tell.
1y
Afraid,
is
can
equal
you hear me?
1y is equal to 100 minus x.
Huh?
1 by
We should take the value for x. What shall we take? Afraid.
1, sir.
Sir, can I?
1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
100 rupees.
1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಯಶವಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ?
99.
99.
40. X is equals to 40.
40 or 50.
40.
Sir,
Sir,
take
40 or
63.
60.
63, sir.
It is 40. Yashwant, it is 100 minus 40. It is
60. 40,
40 comma 60.
ನೀವು ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ತರ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವರು ಇವನ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ 0 ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ 0 ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. Yes, it is 40 comma 60. Next ಹೇಳಿ.
63. 63.
What is the amount contributed by Yashwant?
50 and 50.
50.
50 comma 50.
50. 50. Both have contributed the same amount.
Sir, 63.
60.
Let us not go for differentiating them. See, in first case, Yashwant has contributed more amount. Now, second case,
65.
distributed.
70.
Third,
70, sir.
Sir,
70,
60.
65.
60 and 40.
60.
60, sir.
60 third. Y equal to 100 minus 60.
40.
60, comma 40.
60 comma 40. One more point.
65. 65.
75,000. Amount contributed by Athenians. 75.
20.
Yashwant is
25, sir.
25.
25 rupees.
Now take 99.
I don't want. 99 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees. Don't want all those things. Over. Okay. Now let's go for drawing the graph for this.
Scale for x-axis is 10.
X
10
axis is
rupees.
equal to money spent by Yashwant.
Wait. R will come in first quadrant only. Then go for drawing X and Y axis quickly. Draw X axis. Similarly, Y axis.
Sir, graph.
In graph sheet, draw X and Y axis. Now you tell what should be taken along X axis?
Money given by Yashwant.
Amount by
Money
Yashwant.
given by Yashwant and Ethin.
Amount contributed by 18. And see that the amount contributed by 18, the possibilities are 40, 50, 60, 75. ಈ ರೀತಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. What will be the scale?
5 units.
20.
10, sir.
10 units.
10
units.
Sir.
10, 25.
1 centimeter is equal to 10 rupees. ಇಲ್ಲಿ amount ನಾವು rupees ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Got it? Right. It is 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. Mora. What does y-axis indicate? Amount
Yashwant.
Amount contributed by Yashwant.
Right. Amount contributed by Yashwant is in rupees. Please take. Hey, Rebecca. What is the scale here?
10.
Same.
10 same.
1 centimeter is 10 rupees. Right. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Over. Now let us go for marking the points. Here 40, 60. On x-axis 40, y-axis 60. Yes. Over. This is first point. 50, 50. Point comes here. Next, 60, 40. Amount contributed by Yatin is 60 rupees. And then Yashwant will be 40. Next, 4th point. 75, 25. 75, that comes between 70 and 80.
70 and 80.
So, here. 25, it comes between 20 and 30. Alright. Join all the points.
Uniform deceleration.
Let me write all of it. Yes, extend one. Even they may intersect also. 75, 25. This is 60, 40. This is 50, 50. And this 40, 60. Write the equation. X plus y equal to 100. Write the scale as well. X-axis. 1 centimeter equal to rupees 10. This is the amount contributed by Yatin. Y-axis. Here also 1 centimeter equal to rupees 10. Amount contributed by Yashwant. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Vibha A. Rathod. Finished? Ekta? Tanush? Tanush R. Tanmay? Not yet. Still you are writing. Okay, carry on. Larissa Daleria.
Yes, sir. Writing such skill.
Finish up it quick as possible.
Yes, sir.
Here, Chetan. Amit. Face, Siddesh, Daksh, Dhanush, Kelly, all right. Here, Kulambi. Just look at it. Through the graph also, the amount contributed, each of these can be found out. Here, example. If the amount contributed by Athene is 30 rupees,
70.
it will be 70. It should be shown in the graph. Listen to me.
We can minus separate, no, sir.
You should not go for marking this. Here, just I'm showing you how the amount will be calculated using the graph. 30 applied. Here you will draw the perpendicular, then you will draw it. Amount contributed by Athene is 30 rupees, then Yashwant will contribute 70 rupees. Arif. If he has contributed 45 rupees, let us check it. Yes,
55.
55.
Contributed amount is 65.
35.
35.
Correct amount.
35.
Here is the find out problem. In the examination, if they ask. Now, we are moving to the next question. 8th question. Yes. Here, all right. This side.
Sir, total how many problems are there, sir?
Pardon me?
Total how many problems are there, sir, in this exercise?
Last one it is. 8th one is last one. Eighth one is, it is called interdisciplinary question. What it is?
Interdisciplinary question.
Question.
Interdisciplinary question. What it is?
Interdisciplinary question.
You can raise my question that, sir, what is the interdisciplinary?
Yes, sir. What is
What
that,
is
sir?
this question, sir?
You have to record. Then after that you stop. I'll tell you. In the board examination, any board examination, 1 or 2 interdisciplinary questions will be there. It means we will go for taking 2 different concepts and it will be included in one. Means both will be clubbed together and will be made as one question. Example. See that here only. We have learned about different scales of temperature in the chapter called Matter in Our Surroundings. Do you remember?
Yes,
We
sir.
have learned the relationship between
Yes, sir.
Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale. What it is? Degree Celsius equal
Degree
to
Celsius.
9/5 into degree Celsius plus 32.
32.
32. And we will take this as an equation. Degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. This is a science concept. I take the Fahrenheit scale as y and Celsius scale as x plus 30. I got
Equation.
Linear equation in two variables.
Into
For
variables.
this, we shall go for drawing the graph. Arthaita? Science concept, math concept, both have clubbed together
Yes, sir.
and made us one question. That is why it is called
Interdisciplinary question.
question. Right. 8th one. In countries like USA and Canada, USA, what is the full form?
United States of
United
America.
States of America.
America.
United States of America.
What is the capital city of USA?
Washington. DC
Washington.
Washington. DC
Canada?
Washington.
Toronto.
Toronto.
Toronto. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in do you know which scale?
Degree Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit.
Degree Fahrenheit scale.
Right. In Fahrenheit, put comma. Whereas in countries like
India.
countries like India, it is
Celsius.
measured in
Degree
Celsius.
Celsius.
It is measured in Celsius. Enough? In Celsius. Full stop. Here is a linear equation. Linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Fahrenheit to Celsius. They won't have given. It is right. Degree Fahrenheit equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 30. There are some questions. Let us go for answering one by one. First one. Draw the graph of the linear equation. Draw the graph of linear equation. Above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for
Sir, in sub question also after what, sir? First line. Linear
draw
equation
the
also.
graph of
Above.
linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Finished up.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let
sir.
us go for answering for this. Let us rewrite the given equation because our Celsius is to be taken along x-axis. Fahrenheit is to be taken along y-axis. Then how do you write the equation?
Y is equal to 9
Y
by
is
5
equal to
x
9
Y
by
is equal to
5
9
x
by 5 into x
by
plus
30,
30.
plus 30.
Into x plus 5. Okay, next. Let's go for drawing the calculation. Right now. Calculation table with 3 columns. Make 3 columns.
Sir, video is not.
First column is for x, nothing but temperature in Fahrenheit.
So we have to draw this in graph.
Graph book ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Till then you should keep on writing in the notebook one. Have you completed the table?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Spinning it. One heightened it. This is x. And second column is y, which is equal to 9 by 5 into x plus 30. And this is x comma y. Again, temperature. Huh?
5 degrees.
5 degrees.
20, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ wait ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 ಆ ರೀತಿ ತೊಳೋದ್ ಬೇಡ ರೀಸನ್
37.
11.
wait
37.
Bit cold, sir.
stop your writing first
Sir, 37.
Which can be divided from 5.
35.
Afrin, what are you doing?
Table.
Huh?
Drawing, sir. Table.
Huh?
Table drawing, sir.
Who told you to draw? I'm repeatedly telling that you have to listen to me.
Okay, sir.
If you go for taking one, it will be, see, 9 by 5 will be difficult to calculate. That is why I go for choosing the multiples of 5. For x, if I, if I take 0, there will be no problem at all. See that? If I take 0 in place of x, it will be 0, it is 30. If I take 5 get cancelled. 32 plus 9, 41. If I take 10,
41.
5 2s are 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 32, 50.
50.
Calculation is agutte. Understood? Yes, right.
35.
0. After go on writing with me.
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32, which is equal to 32 only. Right? 0 comma 30. Oh, next.
5.
Sir,
5,
15.
sir.
Next, I take 5. Y is equal to 9 by 5 into 5 plus 32. 5 get cancelled. 32 plus 9 is 41. It is 5 comma 41. Next.
15.
10, sir, 10.
Y equal to 9
50.
by 5 into 10 plus 32. 5 ones are 5 twos are. 9 twos are 18 plus 32.
50.
50. 10, comma 50.
10 comma 50. Next.
20, sir.
Okay, 20. 20 third. Y equal to, correct. 9 by 5 into 20 plus 32. Cancel it. 1s are, 4s are, 9 4s are. 36 plus 32.
68.
8. 20 comma 68. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು. ಯಾವುದು?
Sir, 25.
35.
Correct. Very good. 9 by 5 into 35 plus 32. Cancel it. 1s are 7. 9 7s are 63 plus 32.
95.
Yes. 35 comma 90. Now, for this, we have to draw the graph using this coordinate.
10, we can take 10 scale.
Sir, 10 scale.
10 we can take, sir. 10 degree.
10 degrees scale.
10 units.
10
In
degree.
x-axis, 5
1
units.
centimeter equals to 10. 10 units.
X-axis 5 units, sir.
Everything comes in first quadrant only. Ella positive way.
Yes, sir.
So, draw X and Y axis. Please go on writing with me so that you can also finish the graph with me. Next, Y axis. What should be taken along X axis?
Degree
Celsius.
Celsius.
Celsius. Degree
X axis
Celsius.
alle. Celsius power.
Celsius.
Celsius.
And what is the scale?
Degree Fahrenheit.
10.
1 centimeter is equal
What
to
you-
5 units.
Centimeter is equal to 10 units.
5 units.
1 centimeter is equal
10
to 10
units.
degree.
10
5
degree
units, sir.
or 5 degree. Okay, let us take 5. Again, 35. Small number.
5 also this.
Yes. 5 0. Let us go for taking 5 0. It is 5 degrees Celsius. Then 10 degrees Celsius. 15 degrees Celsius. 20 degrees Celsius. 25 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees Celsius. 35 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius, and so on. Right. Temperature in Celsius. Next, along y-axis, let us take temperature in Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit and third. Here 32, 41, 50, 95 ತನಕನೂ ಇದೆ. 10 third, 1 centimeter as 10 degree Fahrenheit. Right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. Right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and so on. Ora,
Yes, sir.
go for marking.
Over the
First 0, 32 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Here is 0, 30. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ between 20 and 30, how many boxes are there? 10 boxes. 30 and 40, 10 boxes. Here, first box is ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 31. Second box is ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 32 on. That comes here. Five, 41. Five, 41. Between 40 and 50, 10 boxes are there. Use first box for 41. This is next. Ten, 50. In the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, it will be 50. Huh? Next. 20, 68. 20 on x-axis. 68 and between 60 and 70, 10 boxes are there. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th box here. Mark one. Next. 35, 95. 35. 95. It is exactly between 90 and 100. And the correct amount. Let me join all these. Ora, check whether you got the straight line like this. Okay.
Yes, sir, got sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
write the coordinates. It is 0, 32, 5, 51, sorry, 41, 10, 50. Next, 20, 68. and 35, 90. Write the equation. Y is equal to 9 by 5 x plus 30. Now I'm writing the scale at the top of right corner. X axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Next, y axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 degrees Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. Alright. Now let's move on to sub questions. Prithvi, can you hear me? Shreyas, turn on the video. Arushi, yourself as well. Akshayan, Amulya K, Ananya Sen, Bhumika L, Giridhar, Hita, Lekha KV, Madan HV, Prithviraj, Rakshita B. Turn on the video. Sarthak Hardi, Sumukh, and Fahim. Turn on the video. Shall we go on to some questions? Right. Yes.
86.
Right. Second one. If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, put comma. What is the temperature?
85 Fahrenheit degree Fahrenheit.
Temperature in Fahrenheit. You may use the graph or else you may go for calculation also.
Sir, the answer is
Graph
86 degrees.
use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 30. You don't go for drawing. It has almost come in between 80 and 90 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
86 degree Fahrenheit.
86 degree Fahrenheit, sir.
Very good. Whether you have calculated or from graph you are telling.
Graph, sir.
Graph.
Let us show with the
Calculated, sir.
calculation. ಅವರು using graph ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ you can do that with the calculation. Right. You know that degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 degrees Celsius plus 32. Temperature is given in Celsius 9 by 5 into 30 plus 32. Now calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. For 30. No. 1s are 6 are. 6 9s are 54. 86 are. But same. Right.
Yes, sir.
30 degrees Celsius is equal to 86 degree Fahrenheit. Next, third subquestion. If the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius?
35, sir.
Correct. What is the temperature in What is the temperature in Celsius? Use the same. Degree Fahrenheit equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. Substitute. Temperature is given in Fahrenheit. It is 95 is equal to 9.5 degrees Celsius plus 32. 32 na left thought minus 32. 95 minus 32. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 63 9/5 degrees Celsius. Cancel it by 9. 9 ones are ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 7 sir. Degree Celsius.
35 degrees Celsius.
It is cross multiply 7 5 are 35. How simple it is. Therefore, 95 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 35 degrees Celsius. Huh? Graph all ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ 95 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 35 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. Ora, shall I repeat?
Sir, don't rub
No, sir.
third sub question.
Right. Fourth. Shall I give fourth one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. Fourth sub question is, if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit?
32 degrees Fahrenheit.
32 degrees.
32 degree Fahrenheit.
Okay, right. And another sub question. And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in Celsius? Yes. Two sub questions are given in one only. Let us go for answering both. Right. We all know that degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. First one ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? If the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, I'll put imply symbol. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 into 0 plus 30. It's equal to 32. Therefore, 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. First one I. Minus. Check. If the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, 0
minus 32 degrees Celsius.
9/5 degrees Celsius plus 30 minus transfer minus 32 is equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius. Here I'll continue. Cross multiply 32 5s are 160 minus 160 equal to 9 degrees Celsius. Degree Celsius equal to minus 160 by 9. Cancel. 9 ones are 9. 7 will remain. It becomes 70. Get it? 9 sevens are 63. decimal, again 7 will remain, it becomes 70. 7 are 7 and so on. Approximately it can be written as minus
Minus
7.78. 78. Right. 0 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 17.78 degrees Celsius. Over. Next, another one.
Sir,
Right.
minus 40, sir.
Correct. Fifth sub question. You are very familiar with this. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same, in both Fahrenheit and Celsius?
minus 40, sir.
And Celsius. If yes, find it. Is there any temperature at which both
Yes,
Celsius
sir.
and Fahrenheit
Sir, minus 40.
sir, minus 40.
minus
40 degree.
there? Yes or no? Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
minus 40 degree.
Yes, it is there. Calculate ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Let's go for calculation. Both are numerically, we should assume let degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius equal to minus 40. Minus 40 ಅದನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
X.
So in place of this x, m, a, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು thought, I take
X.
a thought. ನೋಡೋಣ. We all know that degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. In place of f, I'll write it. Then 9/5 into a plus 32. How do you go first? A minus 32 is equal to 9/5 into a. Cross multiply. 5a minus 160 equal to 9a. Then minus 160 equal to 9a minus 5a 4a. A equal to minus 1. Therefore, degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius. That is minus 40 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 40 degree Celsius.
Sir,
Yes.
is there any temperature where all degrees are equal, sir?
All degree means
Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin, all are equal.
won't come. I'll tell you the reason. See that we all know that k equal to c plus 273. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಇವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅವಾಗ x equal to x plus 273 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x and x cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So
270.
Kelvin and Celsius scale both are not at all equal in any temperature. Hence, it is not possible to say that Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale will be equal in any particular temperature. Over. Now listen to me. Stop writing and look here. Here, one equation has been given. Look at it is 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1. That exercise has already been completed. Now we are moving to the next concept. Look here. This is the given equation. Is it linear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Linear.
Variable.
Linear equation in one variable.
Yes, sir, it is.
Because it's linear. 1.
1.
How many variables are there?
1.
One variable.
One variable.
Linear equation in one variable.
It is a linear equation in one variable.
In one variable.
So, how many solutions does it have?
One.
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 2x in it. Transfer that to the left hand side.
2x minus x is equal to
Minus 4.
minus 4, sir.
Minus.
Can we represent this on the number line? X equal to minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are very familiar with the number line. Only number line.
Number line.
Number line andre ಅಲ್ಲಿ negative numbers will be
0,
there
1,
along
2,
with
3, 4,
zero.
minus 1, minus 2, minus
1, 2, 3,
3,
4 and so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on.
square on.
Minus 4 is there. So minus 4 is here. This is understood. It is represented on the number line. Can it be represented in the Cartesian plane?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1,
Parallel
2, 3,
to
4.
y
0,
axis.
minus 2, minus 3 and so on. X equal to minus 4. Whether it is parallel to x axis or y axis.
Y axis.
Y axis.
Parallel to y axis. Minus 4 is there. So here is the minus 4. ಅಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Solve x. One thing. Next, represent this in the number line and the Cartesian ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳು. Hello? For 2 marks. 2 marks ಕೇಳು.
2 marks.
Work examples. Abhinandan B. Amok K, Amulya K, Ananya SL, Yagna, Giridhar, Yogesh, Yema Yogesh, Prithviraj. Can you hear me? Prithviraj?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not at all.
Sir, we
finding
should
you.
write worked examples.
Worked examples. Yes. Prithviraj,
Yes, sir.
do one thing. Don't touch the mobile. Just move away from it. You should move to the distance such that your hand should not reach that mobile.
Shut.
Prithvi. Okay. Now write work examples.
Notebook, sir.
First, solve the equation. Solve the equation. Same one. 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3. Comma, and
Book, sir.
represent the solution and represent the solution. Represent the solution on first one, the number line. The number line. And it is to be represented with one variable of the two variables or Cartesian because in bracket in one variable. Next, second one on the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane in bracket you may write in two variables. In two variables.
If there is three variables, sir.
Three variables can come in 10th class.
That's right. First, let us go for solving. Write the given equation as it is. 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3. Transfer x to the left hand side. 2x minus x equal to minus 3 minus 1. 2x minus 1x is 1x. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Solution is over. Therefore, x equal to minus 4 is the required solution. This solution is it should be represented in one variable. Nothing but it should be represented on the number line. Right. Here I continue. First one. That is in one variable. Draw a number line. Draw the number line. And go on marking for every 1 centimeter. 0. Right side of 0 are positive. 1, 2, 3,
Sir, a notebook only.
4, 5, and so on. Here,
Sir, number line in notebook only, no, sir.
go on marking for every 1 centimeter. Negative 1.
Sir, number line on in notebook only, no, sir.
Notebook only. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ in between instruction ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. This is the point. X equal to minus. Next, Cartesian plane ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ no, don't go for using the graph. ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Second one. In two variables. Draw x and y axis. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus
You have
4,
to convert it into two variables also.
minus 6. It is understood. Directly we can, because as it is in the form x equal to constant, it is parallel to y axis. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅವರು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ 1 2 3 4 5. It is parallel to y axis. X equal to minus 4. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Four. Shreya, Dhanush, Daksh, Shreyas, Chetan. If your writing is over, just listen. Still, we have one more exercise. Exercise number 4.4. In that, 2 problems are there. And both the problems are related to this one. There you have to solve, then you have to represent that solution on the number line as well as on the Cartesian plane. So that is for Bowman 4.4. And the questions are WhatsApp. Now just listen. You have some information. The first information is, Shreyas, listen to me. First information is, tomorrow you have weekly test. Tomorrow you have weekly test and the syllabus is coordinate geometry and linear equation in 2 variables.
The coordinate geometry full or this week's only?
Yes. Full chapter,
Full
both full chapters. Next, second information is
Periodic.
next Sunday you have
To 4.4.
periodical test. It is cumulative periodical test, which means what all the syllabus we have covered so far, everything will be considered. In mathematics, we have completed number system, polynomial, don't want, coordinate
Coordinate
geometry,
geometry, linear equations and problems.
linear equation in 2 variables. These 3 chapters will be there. And in science, you'll be having motion chapter,
Yes, sir.
matter in our surroundings, and force and laws of motion, what I cover till Thursday or Friday in the coming week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Third information regarding biology, today sir will come and talk to me, and after discussing, we'll decide from which date he is going to take the class, and that will be informed by tomorrow only. Clear? And get ready for tomorrow's weekly test.
Sir,
Graph sheet, sir.
The graph sheet?
no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 20
You
mark.
need to use the graph sheet. Tomorrow, obviously, I have to give you the questions on the graph. The reason is both the chapters, coordinate geometry and linear equations, consist of graph questions.
Sir, tomorrow's test for how many marks, sir?
Sir,
25 only.
sir.
25 only. And last information. With this information, that is exercise number 4.4. With this homework, the chapter has been completed. And from Monday onwards, we will focus on science. That too.
Okay, sir.
Second chapter in physics, force and laws of motion.
Yes,
Many
sir.
activities are there. Very nice chapter it is.
Yes,
So
sir.
with this,
Sir, do chemistry,
Thank you very
sir.
much.
Chemistry.